Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Guys, today the weather is really bad, but I want to paint, at least the interior plastics, the plastics that stay in the door handles and one or two more because they are faded, ugly, and I want to give a bit of care to that plastics to look at least way better than they are now. So guys, I did that in the Volkswagen Polo also too, but I didn't do in the best way possible in my opinion, and today I will try another option because the result in the Volkswagen Polo was good, but I realized after 6 months that they are starting like getting a bit faded, So I decided to talk with a professional company. They are specialists in auto paint. So I talked with them, I explained my situation, and they recommend me a technique and products to do that. They assure me that I will not have problems in the future, so it will last way longer than Volkswagen Polo. So guys, this is the parts that for now I want to paint. There is one or two more that I will paint in the future, but I want to see the result in these ones, and then probably I will paint one or two more. I'm not sure, I need to see which result I'm gonna get in these ones. This one I'm not sure if I will paint or if I will buy new, but let's see. But at least these three parts I want to paint to see if these products work good or not. Let's see. But guys, before we go further, I need to talk about the sponsor of this video, which is Hipa Parts. And Hipa Parts, it's a company based in US, and they are specialists in garden machines. They have a lot of good spare parts, so take a look at their website that I'm going to show you right now. And right now they are giving away air filter kits, so if you have to do some maintenance or have to buy parts for your garden machines, like air filter kits, saw chains, things like that, take a look at their website because right now they are giving away air filter kits. So let's take a look at their website, and of course thanks to Hipa Parts for supporting this channel. So guys, once you reach their website, you will have access to their offers or completely free offers, which in this case are these safety glasses and of course the famous air filters. So guys, if you scroll down, you have right here the steps that you have to get your price, and basically you have to create an account, choose which offer you want, and then when at the checkout you need to add the code sign up when in the discount, like a discount code. So guys, it's completely free and easy. You just need to pay attention, of course, to these rules because you can only receive one for each person. Once you reach their website, you also can take a look to their products because they have amazing price, and the feedbacks that I saw of their products are really good. And they also have a YouTube website with a lot of do-it-yourself. So guys, give it a chance to Hipa Parts and make part of Hipa Parts community. So guys, basically I have all the stuff I need in here. I have the paint. This is matte black, and this is a primer for plastic. So guys, I also have some gloves in order not to paint myself. I also have here some sandpaper that will help me to sand the plastic piece. I don't want nothing too aggressive, but I need to sand this plastic because probably in the camera you cannot see, but they are really bad. So guys, let's start sanding this piece, then apply the plastic primer, and then of course the matte black, and hopefully I can get a good result. So guys, let's go. So guys, my idea is to do this plastic part first. This is from the sunroof cover, and I will try this one first because this is gray and I want to see the result. So I will start sanding this and test this paint to see the result of this. If it's good, I will paint the other ones. So guys, let's go. So guys, I already sand this with 400 and 600 grit. Now I'm gonna degrease all this piece and apply the plastic primer. Guys, it's raining a lot. Let me show you. That is the Audi, man. I forgot the inside light on. I need to turn it off, but it's raining a lot. You can see it's here. Oh, fuck. So guys, this plastic primer, this is really strong, and if I will show you closer, but in my case this plastic part was painted before. I sanded, of course, as you saw, but it started creating a few bubbles. Actually it is old paint coming out, so I will sand this area over here and apply again, of course. But if you have painted plastic, you need to remove all the paint, otherwise this will start removing your old paint, and of course after you paint, the paint will come out. So guys, I'm not a paint specialist, of course, but I've been learning a few things while I was restoring these cars. And believe me, the trick for good results on paint is the preparation, guys. So guys, put your effort in the preparation and the result will be good for sure. So let's apply the primer again, let it dry, and then apply the black matte. So guys, I applied a light coat over the piece. Now I will let it dry, apply a second coat, and let's see. So guys, I tested this primer in this part over here to see if this have paint or not, and there is no paint over here. I already sanded, and I will apply the same technique, primer and then the paint. So guys, this is not fully dry, but at least I can show you the result. Guys, these two parts I will install on the car. This one I will not, because I had to glue, because these things over here are broken, so I'll have to glue, and not today. But I will install these two just to show you the result. But guys, as you can see, this is really good for me. So guys, what I'm gonna do right now is to place the buttons in place, install in the car, so I can show you the before and after. But guys, I'm happy with the result, and guys, thanks for watching, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.